Hey y'all, welcome back. My hair looks a little crazy because I just washed it. I've got a hair dryer, a cordless hair dryer from Amazon to try out for y'all. I actually just did a glaze treatment on my hair as well, so if it looks a little crazy, if my face looks patchy, if my makeup looks weird, if you see any spots, y'all don't judge, because that's why. So, my hair is wet, like I said, just got out of washing it. This is, I'm so excited, a cordless hair dryer that's supposedly cordless, motorless, not motorless, fanless, brushless motor. There we go. It's fast drying, it's cordless, it goes on a charger. Seems really neat, really cool. So, like I said, available on Amazon, and we're gonna try it out today. So, when you open it up, you've got, by the way, how cute, y'all. Look at these nails. So cute. I just did these. Didn't do a video, but they're the Glamnetic press-ons. So stinking cute. I'll put the link down there. Y'all can shop through my link and use my code and get, it's either 10 or 15% off. I can't remember. But I'll put the code down there and the link. Y'all go grab me some. So cute. Back to this. Comes with a manual. Comes with like a big bag to store it all in. Comes with, oh, and by the way, this is the name of the company. I think you pronounce it Lilacs. Here is this awesome hair dryer. Why do I always have to fight with plastic? There we go. Ooh, y'all, this thing feels so chic. It's like a velvety texture. There's a little diffuser attachment. We've got our charger here. This can go in here anyway, and it charges. Pretty cool. And for the attachments, y'all, they're magnetic. How cool. You can twist it like any direction you want. Super easy to put on and off. How cool. So the perks about this thing, it is a brushless motor. It charges super fast. Like I said, it's cordless, so you don't have to worry about getting tangled in the cord. You can go anywhere and dry your hair. You can go dry your hair on the beach if you want to. Not that you would, but if you want to. It uses a lower temperature because it has a better fan, supposedly, because it's a brushless. It uses a lower temperature. It's better for your hair, so it's healthier. So your hair's not going to be frizzy. It's going to be shinier and just healthier. It's not going to damage your scalp like normal hair dryers do. Basically, there's two little buttons here. So we've got on this side the power, and then you've got your cool and your regular setting. On this side, you've got the fan speed, so low, medium, and high. Okay? And then on the back, there's these little lights that indicate your charge, so you know when you need to recharge it. Okay, so if we cut it on, see those lights? That means it's fully charged. So, pretty cool. Ooh, so it is cold. I'll put it on the regular setting, and I'm gonna pump this bad boy all the way up. Oh yeah, do y'all see how powerful this thing is? Like, I'm holding it really far away. If I hold it close, oh my goodness, this thing is intense. Woo! And it's drying really fast. Like, my hair normally, if I dry my hair, a lot of times I just go to bed with it wet because I don't feel like drying it, honestly, because it takes so long to dry my hair. Normally, it just takes forever, and this is like already feeling dry. And it's a super cool temperature. I bumped it up to the, regular setting. It is blowing my camera, y'all. Whoa. So I bumped it up to all the way on high, and I bumped it up to the regular heat setting, not the cold one, and it still feels cool. Like, it feels good. Normally I sweat when I dry my hair because it's hot, and I just got out of the shower or the tub, and I'm just like hot and sticky, and then blowing heat on me just makes me like sweaty and miserable. And then I'm like, why did I even take a shower? Now I'm sweating again like a pig. So it's like refreshing because it's cool and it feels good. But yet, like, my hair is already getting dry. I'm gonna finish drying real quick. Let's see what our diffuser does. So if you like to use the diffuser and like, you know, like brush your hair, like super concentrated to make it shiny, you can definitely do that with this. Definitely do that with this. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, so I just finished drying, and y'all, that thing worked so good. I mean, look at this. I think my hair dried in like, it took me maybe 10 minutes, which is, I think, a record for me because my hair never dries that fast, and especially with cool air. Let's see, what are my thoughts? First of all, this cordless design, obsessed. Secondly, the cool air is amazing because I'm not sweating. Didn't break a sweat at all, which never happens. Then lastly, because it is cool air, I think it definitely helped with the frizz. I have super frizzy hair normally. This is way more tamed than it normally is. So I am so impressed. Okay, like I said, y'all, this thing is available on Amazon, and I will drop the link down below. Y'all go grab you one. Y'all can shop through my link. If you're someone who dries your hair all the time, you definitely need this. Definitely. All right, that is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all go give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.